In this video, we're going to build a stock tracking web app using Python, Streamlit, and a completely free stock API. But before we jump into the code, we need to cover a couple of fundamentals. So let's talk about how the web actually works under the hood. Every time you use an app or a website, there are two sides talking to each other. The client, that's you, your browser or your Python script, and the server. That's the machine sitting somewhere holding all the data, but the client can't just reach in and grab data directly. It needs a structured way to ask for it. That's exactly what an API is. It's the communication layer between the client and the server. You send a request saying, "Hey, give me Apple's stock price." The server processes it and sends back a response with the data, clean, controlled, and structured. Now, so the server knows who is making that request, it uses an API key, basically a unique ID tied to your account. Every request you make carries that key, and the server uses it to verify you before handing anything back. That's it. Client asks, API handles it, server responds. Simple pipeline. Now let's build a simple web app with Python and Streamlit, a tool that turns any Python script into a web app effortlessly. First, install the required modules using the command on screen. Okay, let me walk you through the code real quick. At the top, we're importing two things: Streamlit, which handles our UI, and requests, which we'll use to actually call the API. We also have a variable for our API key, which we'll fill in shortly. Then we give the app a title, stock price app with a little chart emoji, just to make it look nice. Next, we have a text input where the user can type in a stock symbol like AAPL for Apple, and it defaults to that. When the user hits the Get Stock Price button, we build the API URL using the stock symbol and the API key, and we send a GET request to AlphaVantage. That's the free finance API we're using today. We get back a JSON response, and from that we pull out three things: the current price, the change in price, and the percentage change. Then we just display those on the screen, and if something goes wrong, like a bad stock symbol, we show an error message. Clean and simple. Now let's actually get our API key. Go to the AlphaVantage website. You can see the URL on the screen. Once you're there, click on the Get Your Free API Key Today button. Fill in the inputs. It just asks for some basic info. And then click Get API Key. That's it. They'll generate a key for you right there. Now take that key and assign it to the API key variable in your Python file. Alright, now let's run the app. Use the command you see on screen to start it up with Streamlit. As you can see, it opened up in the browser, and it already has Apple as the default stock. Let's hit Get Stock Price. And there we go. We're getting the live price, the change, everything. Now let's try Microsoft. I'll type in MSFT and hit the button again. And that's basically it. That's how you can use a completely free finance API with just a few lines of Python. No paid subscriptions, no credit card. Just sign up and start building. Hope you found this useful, and I'll see you in the next one.